Let's be honest, anyone can pour a drink. But not everyone can command a bar, control a room, and get paid for it. Welcome to Mastering the Art of Bartending, a comprehensive online course by Tipsy Sips and Smokes. This is not YouTube bartending. This is professional training. Inside the course, you get 37 in-depth lessons, 7 professional summary videos, 155 quiz questions designed to lock knowledge in. The moment you enroll, everything unlocks. No waiting, no confusion. You get your own student dashboard where you can track your progress, lessons completed, quizzes and assignments, grades and performance. All 7 modules are clearly laid out step by step. You always know where you are and what comes next. Each module includes a summary video to reinforce what you learned and build confidence before moving forward. You'll complete real assignments, access downloadable materials, and keep them even after the course ends, because professionals keep learning. Your progress is measured. Your performance is tracked. And when you finish, you earn your certificate of completion, proof of commitment, knowledge, and professional training. Enrollment is $388.88. If you're serious, enroll now. If you're not, keep watching free videos and wondering why nothing changes. Tipsy Sips and Smokes doesn't train dabblers. We train professionals.